Welcome to this new episode, and in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your AirPod Pro to your iPhone. So if you have an AirPod Pro and you have an iPhone, then you want to connect the AirPod Pro to your iPhone. Here are the simple steps that you need to take. So the first thing you want to do whenever you want to connect your AirPod Pro to your iPhone is make sure your iPhone is turned on. You may turn on Bluetooth and you may not turn on Bluetooth, especially if you are using an iPhone with fixed ID. So here, particularly, I'll be using iPhone 12 Pro Max. So I'll be connecting this AirPod to my iPhone 12 Pro Max. Open the AirPod case. And the moment you open the AirPod case, you should see a part that says, not your AirPod Pro. AirPod Pro not connected to this iPhone. Now to connect the AirPod Pro to your iPhone, all you need to do is hit the connect button on the screen. So let's drop this. And then go ahead and hit the connect button. Then you should see a part that says, press and hold the button on the back of the charging case. Now locate the button at the back of your AirPod Pro charging case and then press and hold it. Then you should see a beep and then your iPhone will start connecting to the AirPods Pro. So this might take a couple of seconds. Then you should listen to different beeps coming up from your iPhone when your iPhone is connected to your AirPod Pro. There you go. Then you should see an indication comes up here that your iPhone is fully connected to your AirPod Pro. On your iPhone screen, you should see how to make use of your AirPod Pro using different indications, including noise control, media volume, and the rest of them. Then just hang on to learn more about this. And then you should see to enable noise control center, press the volume slider to view additional control for noise cancellation and transparency. That is when your AirPod Pro is connected to your iPhone. Now you can skip all this information once your iPhone is connected to your AirPod Pro. Once everything is sorted, you should see personalized spatial audio. Use your iPhone to control your AirPod. Now, how do you verify whether your AirPod Pro is connected to your iPhone even after the whole process? Just go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, click on Bluetooth. Then you should see the name of your AirPods Pro here. Under Bluetooth, you can see I have AirPods Pro. Then if I open the AirPods Pro once again, just like this, then you should see the pop-up and then connected. You can see that. So my AirPods Pro is 100% charged and the charging case is about 45% charged. So this is how to connect AirPods Pro to iPhone. If this is helpful, if you want to hit the like button, do not forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.